A rental bond is an instrument of rental guarantee which is given by a tenant to a landlord. This also acts as a replacement to security deposits that tenants need to give to their landlords. Namaskar, I am Deepak Singh and you're watching Property Matters. Today we will discuss about rental bonds and how they benefit tenants and landlords. A rental bond is a guarantee in favor of a landlord that the tenant will fulfill his obligations under the tenancy agreement. It acts as a replacement to the cash security deposit and covers unpaid rent up to 6 months of lock-in period, damage to the property over fair wear and tear, unpaid bills as mentioned in lease agreement. Rental bonds protect the landlords from default in payment of rent by tenant, from damages to the property, default in payment of utility bills, in cases when the tenant vacates before the expiry of lock-in period. A tenant benefits from rental bonds as he gets relief from paying hefty security deposit amount. That money can then be utilized by tenant for other purposes. Rental bonds need to be paid for by paying small fees to security companies. In order to buy a rental bond, a tenant needs to submit the required documents and pay the necessary charges. Now let's see what kind of laws govern these rental bonds.
A rental bond is a document of guarantee. It's an instrument of guarantee that we extend to the landlord on behalf of the tenant. Now, guarantees are covered by the Indian Contract Act, and guarantees, which of course lays out the fact that guarantees are a perfectly legal a legally accepted document or a legally accepted instrument. Guarantees have been used extensively in India.
We don't have a legislation which is governing this, which is specifically governing this this aspect of the security guarantee bond. There are general regulations like our Indian Contract Act or the Transfer of Property Act, or the relevant rent control legislations, which are dealing with the leasing and its related aspects. But none of these legislations are contemplating a security bond or replacement of the security deposit by a third-party provider.
We follow good practices followed by surety companies globally, which includes the risk-based capital allocation system. So for every guarantee that we write, we allot a certain part of our capital towards providing for claims as and when they would come up. So that's something that we expect that would provide a great deal of confidence to the landlords who are accepting our guarantees.
These security deposit bonds will be governed by a contract between the guarantor company and the prospective tenants. So one will have to look at the terms of that contract to see at what instance the guarantor company will have the ability to honor those guarantees, or in what all instances they can refuse to honor that guarantee. Thirdly, in what are the charges which the guarantor company can levy or demand from these prospective tenants? Is it periodic? Is it annually? And what if those charges are not paid?
Rental bonds help tenants as now they don't need to pay heavy security deposits to their landlords. They also benefit landlords as they get credible tenants. In case you decide to take a rental bond, do your due diligence and take care of all the aspects of the contract with the company. So this was all about rental bonds in India. In case you have questions, you can write to me on my Twitter handle. You can also write down your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Deepak Singh signing off with cameraman Nitin Rajput.
Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and press the bell icon to get new videos.